Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to make stuffed shells with ricotta cheese. So let's get started with the video. Begin by dicing one onion. When you're finished, set your diced onions to the side. Now clean 1 cup of baby spinach. Then, in a large pan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add a half a cup of your diced onions and saute your onions for about 3 to 4 minutes. Lightly season your onions with salt and pepper. After you've sauteed your onions, add 1 teaspoon of garlic and then saute the garlic with the onions for about 2 more minutes. After that, add your spinach and then saute your spinach for about 5 minutes. Once your spinach has finished cooking, take it off the heat. Now, place your spinach, onions, and garlic on a cutting board and finely chop them up. Now add your spinach mixture into a large bowl. Then add 2 cups of ricotta cheese, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything together until well combined. Next, add your mixture into a ziploc bag. It's easier to do this if you place the ziploc bag in a cup first. Then set it to the side. In a large pot of water, add salt. Then bring the water to a boil. Then add your jumbo pasta shells. Cook your pasta shells for however long it says to on the box. Once your pasta is finished cooking, drain them and set them to the side. In a large baking dish, add half a jar of tomato sauce. Next, take the Ziploc bag filled with your ricotta mixture and cut the corner off. The part we cut off will be the tip. What we made was a makeshift piping bag, which will make it easier to stuff our shells. Now, stuff your pasta shells with your ricotta mixture. Then place it inside the pan. Repeat this process until you run out of room in the pan. After you finish with that, add your remaining sauce on top of your pasta. Then add some Parmesan cheese on top. Next, cover your pan with tin foil and then place inside the oven at 360 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Once your pasta has finished cooking, it should look like this. Now that your pasta is finished cooking, you can go ahead and plate it up. And this is the finished product. I'm really happy with how this came out. It looks absolutely amazing and tastes delicious. The recipe is easy and pretty quick to make. Also, if you're someone who really likes ricotta cheese like I do, this recipe is perfect for you. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!